Are y'all not gonna be in it? Hey y'all, welcome to the video. We're currently on our way to get a 1966 Ford Thunderbird. I'm buying it sight unseen. It does turn over, is what we've been told. Let's hope that's true. There's no battery in it, you know that. But yeah, just a little update. We're about 20 minutes out. We'll be back. Ooh, Denny's. Sorry. We'll be back when we're on the once the truck's on the trailer, because oh, now the gas light goes on. But we ran into an issue because I forgot. So this thing has bad tires, doesn't run right. I forgot my winch remote at home, and that's 2 hours away. So this is gonna be fun, guys. But we'll see you then. Hey. Well, hey guys, we're back. Like 4 hours after this first bit. Tried to get gas in the old thing. Spent like 120 bucks on gas because the government sucks. Truck. Here's the Ford Thunderbird, just showing you guys that I got it. See? Boom. Tell you more about the story when we get home, because I gotta get on the road. But I'll see you guys in a second, and we'll walk through this later, okay? Hey guys, so we're back. This is actually the day after, because I got home late from getting the Ford. Well, I got home, and then blah, and work, and yeah, you get the drift. So, like I said, here's the car, and here's the back end of the car. So walk through a little closer up, look. So obviously you can see, not in the best shape. Real bad here we see Bondo. There's like completely some surface rust, some body Bondo. Right here is the bad part. But what we noticed is the guy did, as you see, got Bondo, but under it is under it is the is aluminum foil, so we can take this off. But you see, tires are dry rotted. I don't know if these are the original wheel, like rims, but an extra. I'm thinking these ones look more original. I've got 3, so I can find one more like that. But all the tires are just gone, as you can tell. One thing I was looking too, in there, you can see that the antenna snapped off, so rusted off. So that'll be a thing. Looking at the front, we got some cracked headlights. Tail light on here is bad, or it's gone, and the wiring's hanging in that. More wheels, blah blah. The one mirror is cracked off. The adjustment screw is gone. Here's a new adjustment screw. We cannot open this side, so I'll have to show you from the other side because of the fender here. One issue I've noticed I've had already is I can't get off the gas cap. So yeah, that's an issue. Oh, let's see that. Just watch. Brush just falls out. So some bad parts is obviously, you know, it's a unibody. So I'll have to get patch panels for these quarter panels, since I won't be able to take them off and just replace them. And then my trunk is, so there's no keys for this thing. No keys at all. I did not know, because I bought this thing sight unseen, which did mess me up. But see, someone already tried to pick it with a screwdriver. I'll admit I did try, also couldn't get it. So there's a chance that there is a bunch of stuff in this trunk, or there's nothing in this trunk. We're missing some badges. Yeah, if you look inside, the interior is pretty good. For the most part. The interior is not in rough shape. Well, part of it is. So it's going to need new carpet. It smells like there's been animals inside it. One thing is you can see under the carpet on both passenger and driver, the floorboards are gone. And there's still some left of the floor on this side. Or in the back seat. Here's the rest of my antenna. Headliner's gone. It was hanging, but we rolled all the windows down, trying to clean dust out on the way back, and can fuck the rest of it. Pardon my language, sorry. You know, you get your typical Thunderbirds. These need redone, but you see your crank to open. Same thing there. To get into the trunk, I can go back there, which I'll probably do in this video with you guys on. But seats are in decent condition. This seat's a little rough. Driver's side seat's pretty good. You know, interior's not the worst, not the best. Like I said, see through the floor over there. But we'll see if we can get inside to the other side real quick. And I'll be right back. Just 1 second. I'm gonna go get a. Never mind. I'm not gonna go get a screwdriver. Which actually, hang on. We can see if we can. I have a leftover screwdriver somewhere in my truck, which I do not. Shoot. Well. Okay, so I'll have a different video, or I'll do it off camera potentially, or. Yeah. But, so, one thing I like about Thunderbirds that I don't know if you guys know. So, hang on. Damn it! The car settled again. It used to be able to open this. But, so the steering wheel actually slides. So when you put it in park, you can slide the steering wheel over. I'll show you guys in a different video. Last bit we'll show you is I'll show you the engine. So, this car, of course, doesn't have any keys. So I need to get new locks because that lock's just gone on the trunk. Which I think I can get ignition and door locks and keys for like $40. But look in here, we got a little bit of a. It's missing some coolinator hoses. As you can tell, some people just used garden hose. It's take a while. It does turn over. The dude did bypass. It did turn over. Brakes issue. This is probably dirty. Need some shit ran through it. Yeah, so it's gonna be rough to get going. But you see, which actually, while I'm here, see if I can find a data plate, which I think is on the side of the door. But see, yeah, it's got stuff. It needs sparkulator wires, and or sparkulators. It does need an oil change. It probably does, because we're pretty sure there's the original oil filter on it that came from factory. It still says Ford. But, so yeah, that's it. It doesn't run, turns over. Yeah. It not turned out as good as I wanted it to turn out. But, we're going to work on this. Currently putting a stop, not a stop, but a halt. Well, halt and stop are the same thing. One more time. I'm currently going to put a temporarily stop on my F100 restoration, which I know you guys, because I meant to make a video for it and I didn't make a video for it because I'm crazy like that and forgetful. My F100 restoration, I'm gonna put pause on that because that runs and drives. I'm gonna get this running and drive, and the plan is that by September I want this running and driving in the yard, because there are more issues wrong with it. Like, one of the shackles are rusted off, you know, floors. It's not road worthy yet, but getting it yard worthy, because first thing I'm gonna do is, so I want to put white walls on these eventually, right? White walls on a Thunderbird, of course, gonna be amazing. But first, because getting this on the trailer was a pain. I always start for another time, but it's a really big pain. So what I'm gonna do first is this Thunderbird's gonna stay on the trailer until I get tires on it, because it's gonna be easier to roll off and then roll into the barn and all that stuff. So I'll probably take this spare tire right here, and I'm gonna try to find some temporary. I'm gonna talk to some junkyard and see if I can get some old tires, you know, figure out what size this is, get them tires. Get them tires, put them on so they just hold air. I don't care if they're stripped or whatever, as long as they hold air. Even if they have a slow leak, that's alright, not preferred. But then I'll go change them out, put them on. The hard part too is once I can get the trunk open, and hopefully there's a bunch of good stuff inside. Hopefully the original bumper jack is still in there, because you can use that to lift this up. Because I don't know if I can get, you see in here, I don't think I can get a jack under there. But I'll do one tire at a time, and then I'll get in and back it off the trailer. So yeah, that's just a little update for you guys. Brought it home. It was great. We broke a strap on the way home. The strap on this back tire, since we did 4 on each. You know, I'll put a video, or not a video, a picture of what it looked like on the trailer, which you guys saw, I'm pretty sure, or we'll see, blah blah. Yeah. Of course, some rust isn't the best, but some surface rust. So yeah, that's gonna be a long road for this thing, but I got it. So yeah, well, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you watched, if you didn't, that's probably my first video. And I probably don't have a name yet, because you know, it's hard. It's hard trying to find a name for my channel, because some are taken. I want it to be a good name that reflects what I do. You know, I mess around with some stuff on restoring things. I do ride a motorcycle. I do a bunch of stupid stuff. Like, I'm also gonna record, you know, when I go out to my cousins and we do stupid stuff. Like shooting's not stupid. Practice gun safety, guys, always. But we like ride dirt bikes and that stuff. So I don't want to make it like, make it seem like I don't, like, only specify on a motorcycle or that. So I don't know. I probably don't have a name yet. Right now it's probably Tuss Talks, because I'm Tuss and I talk, so that works enough. Show you guys real quick my garden. That's doing a little rough, but also good at the same time. Got some cabbage. This cabbage plant's dead. But some cabbage is doing good. I've got some spaghetti squash that's sprouted. Sweet potatoes growing. And then, my favorite part, I've got 2 potato plants sprouting out of all of them. There's my ducks. Love a duck. Give a duck. So, yeah, I'll give you guys a quick look real quick, because I'm trying to not be super long on time, because no one likes to watch a long video. But anyway, give you a quick little look at my F100 project. You can tell it's in better shape than the Thunderbird. Does need a little bit more work. This doesn't need nearly as much work. This runs. Got the 302. It does need some like new radiator hoses and a new power steering pump, and the fuel spritzer is got a hole in the bowl, I think, so it floods a little bit. But it drives 3 on the tree, so this is on a hold because it drives. If it breaks, I'll fix it, but it's all onto the Thunderbird now. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.